If you remember the video from yesterday, I was so proud with the bees cleaning my trays and getting all the honey, excess honey out of the wax, where I could run it through my solar cell and purify it. That's great, except for one minor detail. There came a rainstorm yesterday. I mean, like for 3 hours, it poured down. Okay? What happens? The trays that's got the wax in it is also full of water. So there's only one way out. I got my little bucket, and by the way, people, if you turn that bucket over and it says 2 on the bottom, it's food grade. Just keep it clean. So I got this bucket, and I got my little filter, my little paint filter. That's how I filter my honey. Now I'm gonna put this filter on this bucket, and I'm gonna very gently strain all that water through that filter. I'll catch the wax, the water's gone, I dump it, everything's back to normal. If it hadn't rained like the devil yesterday, I wouldn't have to do that. But that's only a minor detail. I do it for the simple reason, the more honey is out of that wax, the prettier and cleaner my wax is. For example, look how white and clean that wax is. Now some of it's true, some of it's a little yellow, but I'm picky. If it's too yellow, I don't, that's still got honey in it. But if it's too yellow or it looks like this, I don't mess with it. I get it out of there. Anyway, that's where I'm at. I'm fixing to put the filter in there and strain it and drain it and get it ready to go.